Good morning, everyone. Michael McGillicuddy here, and I've got a quick video to show you how to access any website when they change it or take it down. But first, just a quick plug for myself. If you want to support me and what I do, I really recommend downloading this browser called the Brave browser. It gets you away from Google and their clutches, and it allows you ad-free and tracking-free browsing. I've blocked a lot of trackers and ads. It's free to use. It's from the same people who made Firefox, and it also blocks all YouTube ads. So that's that. So here's the point of this video. Yesterday, I saw a Facebook post from somebody who said that they were importing COVID-19 tests in 2017 and 18. I thought, what? And so I went to the website. It's something called WITS, World Integrated Trade Solution.worldbank.org. It's like an aggregator of all trade that goes on in the world by category. And it said right there, COVID-19 diagnostic test instruments and apparatus. This was a different screenshot. I'll show you the actual testing kits they were using. It shows the year 2017 and then how much money each country, China imported a lot of them. I wonder why. Yeah, so I started spreading the message about this, and then later that afternoon, the website changed. Now, instead of COVID-19 diagnostic test, it says something different. I'm going to show you how to get to that website itself so you don't have to rely on screenshots or whatever. Go to wits.worldbank.org. Go over here to Trade Stats by Product. Make it very easy. Medical products related to COVID-19. And this is the one that I saw. This is the 902780. That's the one that I screenshotted. But here's the very interesting one. 300215. Medical test kits. Okay? And here it just says medical test kits exports by country in 2019. Blah, 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 blah. You can change this up here to 2017 or 18 by going up to the URL. Change the 2019 to 2017. Boom. Medical test kits exports by country in 2017. You see all the exporters. Switzerland, a big one. Interesting. Also 2018. Yep, same thing. European Union were the big dogs exporting there. You could see the test kits imports by country. Blah, blah, blah. You can go nuts with this if you want to, but here's the interesting thing. Here's how to actually find where it says COVID-19. One thing here, this wasn't there yesterday. The data here track previously existing medical devices that are now classified by the World Customs Organization as critical to tackling COVID-19. I love how they put in tackling. It's a fun little football game now. We got to tackle this disease. I hate the language that they use. It's just so ridiculous. It's just for little babies and little kids. Yeah, let's go tackle it. We got to tackle this disease. Get it. Okay, so yeah, so that's this website right now. Now, yesterday it did not look like this. And a lot of people, when they saw the website had been changed, they say, "Ha, I got screenshots." But screenshots aren't that powerful. I mean, subconsciously, anybody can, you know that anybody could fake a screenshot. They're not that influential or powerful. However, seeing the website itself actually listed that way is much more powerful. So I'm going to show you how to access the website itself as it looked 2 days ago. It's a very special tool called the Wayback Machine. Here's what you do. Go to archive.org. Boom. And up here it says Wayback Machine. You enter in this URL. Let's do it for 2017 because that's what we want to see. We copy the URL here, go over to the Wayback Machine, paste it in, click, and it'll spin and load. Okay. Saved 10 times between September 5th and September 7th, 2020. Let's go to the earliest one. Go down to the calendar, September 5th, one snapshot at 21:04:27. Click. And here's that website. But as it looked on September 5th, 2 days ago, here's how it looks today. Medical test kits, blah, 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 blah. You see right here, COVID-19 test kits imports by country in 2017. It's the same exact information. Imports, European Union was the big importer. Germany, United States, United Kingdom. Same thing, exact same numbers. 17,131,541 thousands of dollars, and you see the same thing, 17,131,541 thousands of dollars. The same website, but they just changed the name. Look at this. So this is the website today. Down at the bottom, they didn't change the footnote. COVID-19 medical supplies list. Blah blah blah. So this is funny. This is how it used to look 2 days ago, and then word started getting around saying, hey, they were selling COVID test kits in 2017 and 2018. You can just click the change the 2017 to an 18, and there it goes. 2018. Yeah. European Union, 17,207,992. Let's check here. Let's change this to 18. Same thing, 17,207,992. So they were selling these kits in 2017 and 2018 and identifying them as COVID-19 test kits, which is very strange. And so people, they'll defend it by saying, oh no, these are test kits that they could use for COVID-19. And so if that's the case, how accurate are they when they're testing for a disease that had not even been discovered yet 2 years earlier? And makes you wonder if those test positives are actually for this dreadful disease that doesn't discriminate, that everybody is losing their job over, or whether it's a different strain of the coronavirus that it's actually testing for. Calls into question the integrity of the testing around the world and the amount of lockdowns and other draconian stuff. But of course, it's all just a big farce to take away people's lives, people's rights, I guess, and their lives, and institute one world slavery. That's what it's really all about. So this is how you can show people. Use the Wayback Machine, just as I described there, and that's about it. Learn this tool, archive.org. And if you're technologically illiterate, get literate, okay? This is the 21st century equivalent of being able to read 100 years ago. If you don't know how to use the internet really well, you're behind, and you're not doing yourself or your fellow people any services. So in case this was confusing at all, just watch it again. I'm just clicking stuff, copying and pasting. It's really not that complicated. Just watch it again until you learn it, okay? I lived in China for 5 years, and the old people out there, they're using their smartphones. They're not even texting. They're using apps called WeChat. They're sending photos, videos, voice messages, files, all sorts of stuff, because it's really not that hard. They just do it till they figure it out. Somebody shows them, and then they learn it. So now you were shown, and now go and show others. This is much more powerful than just showing a screenshot, because screenshots can be faked. They can be doctored. Everybody knows that. They're not that powerful as evidence of something. But the website itself, that'll get people's wheels spinning inside their mind, hopefully. So again, if you found this video helpful, use my link in the description for the Brave browser. It costs you nothing, and it gives you a much better browser that doesn't track you. It doesn't put forth all these ads. You can watch YouTube without ads. It's awesome. Get it. It's the best. And it'd be awesome if you got it from me. So please do that. And share this video with your friends and show people how they are lying and then covering their tracks. And then, oh, no, we're not. Oh, no. And because good ideas don't require force. If this was a real pandemic, people would be quarantining themselves and taking their own precautions. They wouldn't need the police and the other order followers to enact this slavery over mankind. So again, thank you very much for watching. This is how you use the Wayback Machine and how you catch them when they change stuff. You can use this for other websites when they, of course, try and take stuff down as well. All right, thanks very much.